send your sister me address so. Mustapha Bande. Mon pass and papa being conscious papa do see Jubilee House now. Or so I don't know. Now who control Jubilee House? Who are you? Who so control Jubilee House? Now President Mahama Kadeng.
Welcome to the Political Ranch with me, the voice right here on Ghana and STEM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then, yeah, leader, your boss, your CEO, Ajwa, birthday, and wow, comment session in Mubiano. Kindly say a word of prayer for her. She has been an instrumental person and inspiration to all of us who work here at Ghana and STEM TV GH, and we love and appreciate her so much. Now, going to today's story. Titi. Titi. Our journalist, Nibuefu pa. Nibuefu, enyasem kitwana. When we say manso de omubufu sana, omutimi break. Na neba maju mubia na omukika. Na udi wasem ukoka wasem tire oba. And Nibuefu a make sure say we dum camera. And say recorder people one, make sure say we dum recorder na. And I'm making sure to say dem a muti no. Sa dem na was some proof and obi antimi team wasem e wa bonti. Yes sir. We secret in na obe catch them grofo. Eba ne say ya. I say wa unim say elections are over and it is time to reward people for their hard work. Yeah. People must be rewarded for their hard work. When we were telling you, say, NDC, no mutual journalists be, any bloggers, any some civil society people say they should create a certain narrative, no. And people were thinking we were lying. But after elections, no, what do we need to opa? You realize, say, sana semana ye kikano, enye yes, na ye nukre. I can invest in correct through and then with your own eyes, with your own ears, you are hearing. People are confessing. Now, some Crawford journalists win. They pursue the agenda of the NDC. They did everything to make MPP unpopular. And some way, somehow, no, almost a CD.
Who control Jubilee House? Kofi Boache, see what Kofi Boache son kadeng. Who control Jubilee House? Chief of Staff Julius Zebra or no so one kadeng. Who was hey, Massa, I'm addressing you here. Because the next time now will be this sense of Jubilee House will be on I will let you understand those who fought for this change. So wouldn't you want your catch you? Who can so be outside about Jubilee House and when I bought also no about it now. I this your Jubilee House in the German home Obiana. Even President Mahama cry one in the German hollow. Or yeah, Jubilee we are not pong or coffee. Say Jubilee House in your Bia Padianka, who father the one wire cocoa power drunky, quack the cock. Send you an wire power drunk, no. Say Jubilee House on the Japadia, and then you'll be a Japadia and quack the coin. Now, one not where your national security coordinator with Jubilee House, ATDA. Who run ready put Anna on Bushy on Bunny Pebia. Et one on Faho. Said our height is here will set us. I don't know on be some point with some way and why no one starting what to do at them. You see the characters. And you see, political party, you have yourself for Nibu. Now, me, what the Baba should the enemy feature? Me the Bama say, baby. Friday, the enemy demand to forward. To forward, I'm the man, I'm sure that your investigations that me who say, eh, was Subai, who say, you was Subai. Man who say, you was Subai, no, me no, me, your next encounter, no, and your power, whom you are cool, my man, come, baby, you come in my count. Miss Anna, Monsieur, me, my count, and you so man coming. What buy an eye at one to see us a bomb? And I want was all by near to I'm a house up a yebe nipa. Now about that or bit what I do I say, get out from the facility. You should have got up, put your hands at your back and say that nonsense. When you this I come to Jubilee House. Some who say and some fool say Adamudia, not party no why he not gonna for buafu. Yet because we are looking beyond 2028. Massa, what side the papa open who did some who sabiama? Who did some who sabiama? Ube GD. You think say ya to one year ni pahunu bi akeke. Try na hwe. Ni akacho say yam power ho a, we be see so be survive ya. So our connections are yes, you bet you see our connections. So mfu ala kwa wo me tena ha na me ka sem ba kwa wonim nipa dodo ehwe. Wonim nipa dodo eti o ti Jubilee House when your opportunity di nkwase asem. Sa na nkofo o motiti ministries mu ano grassroots fo ne kwa no am keka brofa kesia grammar na it just a disrespect sa na enkofo atoba ha me de anya me so mo fa phone line to TV no so so mfu ala kwa
and so otimi ye juma no wie na say John Mahama abaye o mampeni no what is the next thing? You must be rewarded. Bible cracker say a workman is worthy of his wages. And the access I attitude no or call friend say presidency ho no call castle jama brudada ye chebro nyo ye brudada ye chebro nyo. And the attitude sound to me chebro nya na ya ba mu dia so nko dada ne ho kika ne ho sa Jubilee House no akra na after all Miss Bell mu ne Tracy Boache mu ne o mu nyina mu timi ko Jubilee House eti na ya titi na ho nko enti mami ne ko Jubilee House ho no mu na ase oko vice president in chain and after 1 or 2 days na me say omko tena bon sin kakra na omko laptop mu na e see man bi ba ho na man nin be kasa basa man no ye wan a or ye deputy general secretary of NDC your friend Mustapha Gbande say nye bibia ngo be hwia tete na sum na one man permission so ba Jubilee House ha na on be so laptop mo or nim say ha security zone or ye wan a kika na dwenkyere no o we bia on free on piem free akọ. I tell you, Titi. Titi, you say there be. Only mean to make us. Now, only my pama I want mini will boss I John Mahama and them. Whom share me ye. Opa me won't fair. Me won't fair cocoa. Short hair so. Masanya boy ka boy womb. And the woman Mustapha Gbande will ye for cases. Ultimate just meaning Cassase, me free Jubilee House. So you wire. We are wine. It's 9 years or Jubilee House honum. And yen to quack it and me sure says tape no quarrel. By now security no Jubilee House or bed delating and son say 9 years small war ni casa ni says secret be brace so pay. Now you ask yourself, say, why will Mustapha Gbande do such a thing? And I said when I made the call my dental market, now I got beside a market women say ni say na meti say when a course who presidency honum. But me bisa say eba ni say na obi or ben president FNO say your national security or director of operation or presidency no deputy director. Obe take such an approach towards a woman. And I'm market to my say now won't kai the power buying them no. I thought the beer or to me empire man pay or to me losing focus on who sa oba who first or to me losing focus. And the essence says sule Mustapha Gbande no per se ni boss and keep focus. Now at the core there and I say I've forgotten the tree. So that the reason for which Ghanaians voted for his boss, no, he will be able to fulfill them. That is why what be our presidency one person pam or ban tentem. Sana market woman no catch me. And the market woman no catch us some chairman and be film better na same say asem we no creo. Ebe no cre bi wom. Let me think. Let me see what you also think in the comment section. Ebe no cre bi wom. Pa say uni wa uni say wo boss there or weakness bi or who ban who fe ba kokokokwa na say I say watch kakra obi abrem enti let's see how it unfolds. And so confusion in the camp of the NDC. Titi replies Mustapha Gbande with threats that you cannot intimidate her and all. This has been a political rant with me, the voice right on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.